Welcome everyone to City of Brentwood's new gazebo. We are going to have a grand opening on May 4th starting at 10:30 in the morning, featuring the United States Air Force Brass Band. On top of that, we will have the Brentwood Community Band. We will have opening ceremonies, and then we will be serving refreshments. We will have cake, also root beer, and Cracker Jacks. It'll be quite an affair. We'll run about 3 hours. The entire community is welcome, along with surrounding cities. We would hope that everyone would be in grand mood and a grand feature to join us in the opening of our brand new gazebo. When I had first gotten elected, we were going to do a new city hall, parking structure, etc., and we had to tear down the old existing gazebo. Well, I had promised the constituents that one day we would bring a gazebo back, and now we're following. After a few years, we are now completing that obligation. It was donated, the entire gazebo was donated without any use of government funds. Local citizens worked on it, the trades worked on it, and developers kind of helped donate to it. So in essence, it's something that was donated by people that were very concerned with replacing the original gazebo. Well, some of the challenges were how large did we want it? A location was a huge factor. Took a few turns to figure out where it had to fit the right motif in the right area. And we decided that we would plant roses, make it behind our original rose garden here. And it's 20 by 20. The top of it's tongue and grooved, stained wood, and took 22 and a half yards of concrete and just hours and hours of dedication. And everything was handmade in regards to the actual surrounding parts of the gazebo. Well, already we've gotten requests for weddings. I think the junior and senior proms, pictures, just an amazing amount of activities. We will have the electricity in here so that we could hook up music instruments. Maybe some Sundays people might want to play down here, bring their guitars, and just be a community gathering spot for the entire city. Well, from what I gathered, the old gazebo was an exact that. People, the adults, young adults, children, grandparents. This was a gathering place to have a picnic and just to relax on a beautiful day, surrounded by natural beauty, of which this park is noted for. And I can tell you right now, the interest in this has been phenomenal. They've already been in here, and when we finally get it open officially, I cannot see this with not being used every available chance people have. We wish everyone to come down here May 4th, 10:30 in the morning for the festivities, which will go a few hours. Would be nice, fun, entertainment, great time out with your family, and really enjoy this new enhancement to Brentwood's City Park.